Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about diet and natural treatment to control hyperacidity, heartburn problem. Hyperacidity gives rise to a burning sensation in our chest. It is a kind of very common condition that mostly occurs when the acid from our stomach backs up into esophagus, which results in causing burning sensation. Hyperacidity or heartburn is generally caused due to the intake of junk foods and bad lifestyle choices. A healthy diet and lifestyle can make changes and you feel healthy. You can deal with acidity by just choosing natural ways. It also leads to certain kinds of pains that can be quite painful and at the same time harmful for our body. There can be certain reason of hyperacidity, but the most common among them is nothing but the food. There are certain foods that play their role in acquiring acidity. You should follow diet to control hyperacidity. Excessive consumption of chocolates can lead to hyperacidity. Consumption of citrus food like oranges, lemons, etc. can also lead to heartburn. Spicy food also triggers the heartburn. It brings a burning sensation in our stomach and throat and thus accompanied with sour taste. Heartburn from the spicy food is often quite painful. Alcohol consumption in excessive amount can also lead to hyperacidity. Soft drinks and other caffeinated drinks like tea and coffee also leads to hyperacidity. Apart from food, there are many other reasons that lead to hyperacidity. Home remedies can be very helpful in providing relief from hyperacidity. Firstly, avoid the foods that promote hyperacidity or heartburn. Secondly, take a spoon of baking soda and mix it well with water. Drink it regularly. Consume basil, fennel, chamomile, turmeric, etc. Consumption of buttermilk is also very helpful. This is the natural treatment to control hyperacidity. In order to break down the complex food particles, our digestive organs release acids during the digestion of our food. This digestion process is the natural process of our stomach. But when the quantity of complex food becomes higher, i.e. the person eats too much of complex food items, which in result during the digestion give release of acids in higher amount. You should always look for heartburn problem natural cure. The higher amount of secretion of acids causes burning, burping, pain in chest, and this is called nothing but acidity. This also damages the organs of our stomach that are delicate and sensitive. You can cure acidity naturally with the help of herbozyme capsules. These herbal capsules are safe and effective. They are designed with herbal ingredients that eliminate the root cause of the problem. You should look for so many natural remedies and food that control acidity. Hope you like the post. Do comment if you have any comment regarding curing acidity. You can find more details about herbozyme capsules at natureorgain.com. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates of other useful health video tutorials.